Hi guys, my name's Louisa and today we're going to be talking about Google Pay. So have you ever wanted to make plans with your friends to go to the movies or maybe Six Flags, like any amusement park? And after you know how many people are going to go, you decide to go ahead and buy the tickets for everybody. Of course, them being your friends, you let them know to pay you back. One of the things that our society faces a lot nowadays is that nobody carries cash. So when you actually see your friends, they don't have cash on them. And they can't simply just give you their credit card or their debit card. So this is a great way to have them pay you back. Because you can do this through the online app or through their website and just put in your card information and send them money. Or if you know your friends owe you money, you can always request them to give you that money back. And that is essentially what is Google Pay. As you see, this is a small screenshot that I took from my account of Google Pay, and all that you need to have is a Google mailing address, so a Gmail address. In this next slide, we're going to go and try it out. So let's go and click, and it'll take us to the website. As you see, the website is just pay.google.com, and right now it's loading, but you can see that this is my account from right here, and you can see my activity logs from where I've been buying stuff or whatever my activity has been through that Google account, money-wise. Here is where you can actually do the transactions. So here I can just say that I want to send $100, not $1,000. That's a lot of money. $100 using my MasterCard. And so here I could just put whatever email address or name that it is. So let's go ahead and put Veronica. And then for memo, it could just be whatever. Money for movie tickets. Then you would just hit send, and it will send Veronica that notification to her Gmail. That lets her know that she has to go into her account, and the way you can put this back into your MasterCard is that when you've gotten money sent to you, it lets you pick what payment method you want. You can put it, I believe, in gift cards, but you can also put it in your cards, like your debit card or credit card. Here you can see about requesting money. So same goes here. You just put the amount. And so let's put $10. Again, let's use my mom. And then you can just say need money, because who doesn't need money in college? But that is basically the gist of what Google Pay is, and it's so easy to use, and you can actually get it through an app as well, so you can have it on your phone. So back to the presentation, the possible uses is to keep your friends accountable for the money that they owe you, and then also you are able to pay someone from literally anywhere. I could be here and I could be paying my uncle that's all the way in Peru money back, or he could be sending me money for something. And it just makes life so much easier and, keeps us accountable and helps us not to carry cash, which I never do, so that's awesome. Okay. Thank you guys for listening to me, and hope you found this video useful.